Alright, today we got a unit that was sent in. Oh yeah, if y'all like our videos, please subscribe. Right now we have get the paperwork. Okay, this is a 2013 Ducati 848 Evo. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the key from scratch to this, figure out what the mechanical cuts are. The keys that I'm going to figure out from this should work your gas cap, your seat lock, providing that you now have one key that works everything. If that's the case, then the keys I will send back will work everything as well. They sent the dashboard cluster, so what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to use my specialized software and everything and some other equipment to go ahead and program the chips into the cluster. So basically, when this unit is returned, all the customer has to do is plug the dashboard back up, plug the ignition back up, and it's plug and play at that point. The dashboard and the anti-theft system will recognize my chips that I've pre-coded and write the data to. The bike will see that chip. It will allow the bike to start, and that's it. It'll be just like a regular programmed key. And that's about it. Yes, this is specialized work. That's why you can't find a lot of people to do it. You may have noticed if you do a lot of Google searches, we do a lot of this stuff. So we've been doing a lot of this stuff over the years. And that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit with the keys made, and I can't show you the bike starting because the bike is not here. The bike is actually in Maryland this time. Sometimes the bikes are overseas, but in this case it's here in the States. So I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, this puppy's done. You may have noticed we put tape around the dashboard, so while we're working with it, we protect the screen so there's no additional scratches. Basically, the only scratches that's going to be on there is the scratches that you made, not us. Plus, we lay it on it. You know, we move it around so just to protect your unit. But this is what everybody wants to see. This is a fully functional key. As you see, the steering wheel bolt will go in and out, all positions. So if somebody makes you a key and it doesn't work the steering wheel bolt, then you don't have a good key, because it should lock the steering wheel bolt. If they tell you something's wrong with it, then they probably didn't make the key correctly. But that's about it. And then for those of you that want to know why our work is guaranteed, I'll show you. Give me a second. Had to take a picture of my screen with my phone. With my camera. Alright, that shows me key number 1's in the system and key number 2 is in the system. So basically the bike won't know the difference because the memory is already, the chip data is already programmed into the memory. So when the dashboard and everything does the security check, it'll match up the data with the ECU and bike will start right up. So and that's about it. You need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what you need to send us. If you need tech support, you want us to tell you how to fix your bike, that's not what we do. You may want to consult the dealer at that point. But if you need us to generate another key, you don't want to spend all that money with the dealer, give us a call. We'll tell you what we need, how long it's going to take, and how much it's going to cost. And that's about it. Just keep in mind, with these dashboards, you only get one shot at it. So if you send it to somebody, let's say somebody, I don't know, maybe $50 cheaper, maybe $100 cheaper. Just keep in mind, once they mess up this dashboard, there is no going back to repair it, especially if you crack the screen or you mess up one of the ribbons to the screen. So just compare apples and oranges. If you look like you saving a lot of money, just keep in mind you do get what you pay for. But anyway, you need our help, go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.